Really top of mind is this weather that's coming our way in just a couple of days. So right now, Lauren, is it time to start getting these preps underway?
Yes, today and tomorrow, and we can't stress that enough. Again, you want to house-proof your house for the wintry weather and make sure you're wrapping your pipes and continuing to just plan ahead. We will continue to see very cold conditions, but also we're looking at the chance for some icy conditions and the potential for even some snowfall. It all starts Friday night, so heads up, first alert in effect Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and stays in effect for Monday. We're looking at some intense cold, and so cold that it will be dangerous to even be outside for an extended period of time. Wind chill values will be anywhere from 0 to even -10 degrees into Sunday morning and into Monday morning. Now let's talk about the precipitation first. Winter storm watch in effect Friday afternoon through Sunday morning. We're looking at moderate to heavy accumulation of sleet, freezing rain, and snow. It's going to be very dependent on the temperature profile as the system does pass through. And notice that the timing has changed even from yesterday. So we're starting to see models get into better agreement or consensus as we move into closer to this event happening. But let's time it out. As of right now, this is what I know. Friday, lunchtime to 4 p.m. That's when we start to see that wintry mixture moving across the Red River Valley and 4 northwestern counties. As it continues to sag down to the south, the frontal system, that is, in the cold Arctic air, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. here across the Metroplex, I-30 and I-20. Then down to the south, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. is when you're expecting some of that wintry mixture to be into your area. Let's time this out. We're starting to get the shorter range forecast models to show the accumulation. As we move into Thursday, start to build in some of that cloud cover. We're just looking at a cloudy day ahead as we move into Thursday. Again, perfect day for you to make preparations across the house and to make plans different as we move into this weekend. You do not want to be on the roads. Friday morning, we start to see some rainfall. It is too warm to support for any wintry mixture Friday morning and into early Friday afternoon. It's Friday evening when we start to see the pink start to filter into the forecast. What that means is we'll start to see freezing rain and the potential for sleet. Again, all this is going to be very heavily dependent on that temperature profile. If we have warmer air and a bigger amount of warmer air, that'll lead to freezing rain if we're freezing at the surface. It could lead to sleet too, which is what we're hoping for rather than freezing rain because that limits that icing threat. Now our longer range forecast model is actually showing some of that snowfall moving into the area as we move into Sunday morning and into the early Sunday afternoon. All of that continues to push off to the east by Sunday evening. Let's talk model comparison right now. Here is what I'm looking at for ice accumulation totals. Don't take this to heart. Again, this is just what we're monitoring as of this current moment, but anywhere from about a ½ inch to an inch of ice accumulation will be a possibility here across North Texas. What that means is power outages will be a potential and roads will be dangerous. So make sure you are just staying home as we move into this weekend. It is not going to be worth getting out and about. Now, another thing I'm tracking is the cold temperatures. That cold Arctic air really filters into the forecast. Saturday morning, you're waking up to 19 degrees. Sunday morning, 10 degrees. We're in the single digits into Monday, and those temperatures will be around 15 degrees into Tuesday. This is cold, and we're looking at a long track of time that we will be below freezing. In fact, I'm estimating anywhere from 72 to even 84 hours. It is crucial that today and tomorrow you go ahead and wrap those pipes and go ahead and turn off your sprinkler system. Now, we do have an extreme cold watch Saturday night into Monday morning. Why? Wind chill values could get to 0, even to -10 degrees. It is going to be extremely cold, in fact, dangerously cold. So make sure you're taking care of yourself. If you do lose power, we will have information on how to stay warm, and there are warming shelters. Here's what it looks like Sunday, though. We have winds that will come from the northeast around 25 miles per hour, gusting at times. That's going to make it feel like 5 degrees Sunday morning. As we move into Monday morning, it'll feel like -5 degrees. So again, that's why we have first alerts that start Friday and stay in the forecast into Monday. Guys.